Right, welcome. Video number 5 or 6. 5 or 6. As you can see, back, Garage Works, back with E30. Today we have a mission of emptying the inside of the car and starting to strip the interior out so that I can start cutting the rear arches out and the roof, which is the two big scary jobs. I have already started. By started, I mean I've taken the side skirts and the rear light bulb holders out. Oh, and the rear window louvers. But I'm just going to set my phone up and empty all the parts out of it in a time lapse, I suppose. So yeah, enjoy. Never mind, I was going to set the phone up, but I can't find a tripod. So I will see you once it's empty, I suppose. I didn't actually have that much stuff in there, as I thought. Oh, let me put my hat on. Bosh. It's all empty now, as you can see. Much neater in there. Today's task: rear seats, speaker or parcel shelf, I suppose. Get the whole rear section out. If I can, I will start on the headliner as well and get that out. But I think the rear seats are quite easy to take out, but I don't know. Right, let's try and get this seat out without knocking the camera over. I'm pretty sure just pull this out. That's the rear bench. And then looks like there's some bolts that hold the actual backing in. So we'll start with that, shall we? What size bolts do we need? Is this glued in? I think it might be. That's disgusting. It's definitely wet down there. Why is it wet down here? That's concerning. It's wet. And it's wet. It's not even like damp. I guess we'll find out when we take it out. 10 mil and maybe 14? 10 and 14. I'll be back. I got it completely wrong. It's not a 14. It's a 17. As you can see. Which makes sense considering it's the seat belts, but you know, can't always be perfect. I'm going to need an extension, aren't I? Yeah. I'll be back again once more. Oh god. Extension acquired. God, there's not actually a lot of room back here. It's a good job I'm leaving these rear seats out, isn't it? Go straight to the outside. Bloody hell! Right, so let me show you what I've gotten out. Got the rear seat, the two rear door cards. As you can see, I'm a professional. My Halford's toolkit, very rusty, as they all should be. Anyway, that looks like it's had some welding done previously, and this looks like it's had a lot of welding done previously. And now I need to get the back seat off, which I have no idea where to even start with. Apologies that I'm not filming a lot of the process. I'm by myself and it's near on impossible to set anything up in there without it falling over because I'm moving and everything like that. So this is slightly concerning. I've obviously taken everything out. There's 20p in there, but look at this. The floor underneath the seat is wet. The floor here is wet, but everything above it is dry. So I'm very, very confused as to how that has gotten wet. Either it's been wet for a very, very long time, or some tomfoolery is happening. But this is where I'm at. Everything is stripped out apart from the parcel shelf, which I will do in a minute. Yeah, now I think I'm basically waiting for my girlfriend to come because we need to do her brakes. How are you finding doing your brakes, Georgia?
Some of the bolts are a bit tight, but other than that, it's fine so far. The calipers were quite easy to take off, it was just 2 bolts.
Yeah. And then the carriers are just 2 bolts.
Yeah.
And then it's just 4 bolts to go back together.
And it was just really stiff.
Yep.
So...
Quite rusty.
I had to get someone to help me break it, because I couldn't break it.
What did you just say?
You should film this, because I'm getting good at this.
So here we are, filming.
Darren is just finishing my brakes. I couldn't get the torque wrench on and stuff, so on the bolts, not on the wheels, but on the bolts of the brakes and stuff. Anyway, I don't know. Darren's finishing it. No one else got this dirty, just me. But my hair kept going in my face, and then I kept trying to move it out, and my hands were covered in brake dust, I guess. I don't know.